How to add Afterpay to Shopify Store. So, hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser, go to Shopify, and log into your Shopify account. Once done, let's go to our Shopify dashboard right here. And in the left hand side, click on your settings here below. Now, once you've clicked on your settings, go to payment section. And once you're routed to the payment section, go to supported payments and simply add payment methods. Now search for Afterpay. Now, if you cannot see Afterpay here, it means to say that it is not available in your country. But don't worry because there's another way. So here in our sales channel, let's go to our online store, go to themes, and here we can edit code. Now, once you've edited the code, all you need to do is to go to this website. Now, there are actually steps that you can follow. Just simply follow the steps we have right here. So let's go to our theme liquid section. Now, once you've gone through theme liquid, go and click here. Simply copy this code to your clipboard. Once you've copied, paste it down right here and hit on save. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.